So the topic is cardiac cycle. In the last video, we have discussed about the heart, its chamber, and many things related to heart. But in this video, we will only give focus on the topic cardiac cycle. So in cardiac cycle, we will discuss about what is cardiac cycle, its definition, and then we will follow that what is its durations, cardiac cycles duration, which is subdivided into many parts that we will discuss in later on. So the definition of cardiac cycle is the sequence of coordinated events taking place in heart during each cycle. Means, let us take one example from our daily life to understand this cardiac cycle. In a 1 year, if we talk about our main events or the occasions of a 1 year, then there will be Diwali and Holi. So in 1 year there is two occasions, Holi and Diwali. So in one heartbeat, for the heart I will draw this heart. Okay, you should understand. In one heartbeat there is two events. In 1 year, Diwali and Holi takes place, and in one heartbeat, two events are also taking place. So in a one heartbeat, there are two events, that is arterial and ventricular event. Okay. Then afterwards, these two ventriculars are subdivided into their subdivisions. Okay. So basically, one heartbeat is divided into arterial and ventricular event, and arterial event is subdivided into systole and diastole, and same as ventricular event is also subdivided into systole and diastole. Whereas the arterial is only divided into two subdivisions, whereas ventricular is divided into two, and there are some more divisions of systole and diastole in ventricular events. So the ventricular event is subdivided into ventricular systole and ventricular diastole. So you should know that what is the meaning of systole and diastole. Systole mainly refers to contraction that takes place in heart, through which the blood comes through arteries, and in diastole the blood comes into the heart and the heart becomes relaxed form. Okay, the ventricular systole is subdivided into two, isometric contraction and ejection period, and ventricular diastole is divided into 5, that is protodiastole, isometric relaxation, rapid filling, slow filling, last rapid filling. We can understand the cardiac cycle through this diagram also. Here we can see it is a cardiac cycle: arterial systole, ventricular systole, arterial diastole, and ventricular diastole takes place. Okay, so the total one heartbeat is completed into 0.8 second. So in the 0.8 second, 0.1 second is for arterial systole. From 0.1 to 0.4, ventricular systole takes place. It is a place of ventricular diastole, and the rest of is arterial diastole. So now let us discuss the durations of these events. In the arterial events, there are two divisions, systole and diastole, and in systole it takes 0.1 second, whereas diastole takes 0.7 second. In ventricular events, there are two events, ventricular systole and ventricular diastole. In ventricular systole, isometric contraction and rejection period takes place. Isometric contraction takes 0.05 time and 0.22 seconds. In ventricular diastole, protodiastole takes place 0.04 second. Isometric relaxation takes 0.08 second. Rapid filling takes 0.11 second. Slow filling takes 0.19 second. Last rapid filling takes place 0.11 second. So the total heartbeat that takes place in 1 minute is 72 beats. Okay, and the second thing, which you should know, that the heart relaxes for 0.4 second. So thank you, and like and share and subscribe my channel.